Aloha. I finished the redesign of my cookie tray. Now I was going to paint it torch red, but I remembered that I had some of that custom ice clear mix left over, so I could do it in gloss galaxy black. Hold on, I'll flip it down and show you how that turned out. I hoped it was going to be sunny today, but it's not. So that's my custom clear gloss galaxy black painted cookie tray. In addition to that, today I finished painting the bottom mounting supports for my CSTAT8 big wing from Victor Racing. Hold on and I'll show you that. Okay, there are the bottom supports. Now I'm just waiting for the paint to dry and for my wife to come home so I can mount it back on the struts. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. Aloha and stay safe.